What's up, guys? It's a cold day out here, so you can see my truck's idling a little bit higher. Like sometimes it'll go only 1,000. That's the high idle kicking in. And I just tap the pedal, goes right back down. But yeah, we're gonna go on an adventure today. I got my Bluetooth speaker. We got the Jeep. We got my phone, jacket, wallet. You know, good stuff. Good stuff. So right now, we're headed off to an adventure. So let's see here, backing out. So freaking cold, man. So cold. Like, it's not even funny how cold it is. Oh, it's so cold. So just backing out the driveway here. We're going to get us some RVs. Yay! And then later tonight, we're getting something in the mail, which is gonna be awesome sauce. So I'm excited about that. Y'all will see it though on the title and the thumbnail. Look both ways, always. We got it. So which way is RVs? Let's go. Let's go this way. And of course, we let the truck warm up a little bit before I take it out. I recommend that because it helps get all your fluids a little bit warmed up, especially on a cold day. Now, if it's a hot day, I wouldn't recommend it as much because you really don't have to because it's already warm outside. But right now, it's in the 40s, if not 30s. So right now, I'm just, you know, taking it easy, not revving it up or anything. You know, just going with the flow. A lot of times they'll say it'll be like 60 and I'll be like, I'm not going 60. Like, for some reason this dash is starting to act up a little bit on me. It doesn't do it often, but for some reason it always does it when I'm in this neighborhood, which is weird, but you know how it is. So sometimes it'll be reading like 2,000 and I won't even, and like I'll be sitting there idling at a stoplight and it'll be reading 1,500. I'm like, no, that's not right. And sometimes the speedo will be off a little bit, but it's not often though. Maybe I'll be able to catch that for y'all today. That'll be cool. Show everyone what I'm going through here. Oh, the trash people. What's up, trash man? Oh, they're good people. Not many people appreciate what they do, but they're actually good people. Without them, who would do it? The trash. I mean, you know, respect. Using a different arm now. Now, if y'all are wondering, it's still axle dump, so it's dumped basically right there. So, I mean, not axle dump, downpipe dump. That's a funny sounding thing. Downpipe dump. Just a downpipe, nothing else. So, you know, it's just sitting there. Yeah, I gotta get that sticky residue off my window. It's from like, I think that's on the inside actually, which is annoying as I'll get out, but give me some Goo Gone or something, because it's annoying. Now, I don't know what that is for right there. If any of y'all know what that's for, let me know, because I have no doggone clue. That little guy right there. Don't know what that is. So, if anybody, any other 6.0 bros know what I'm talking about, let me know, man, because I've been dying to know what that is, and so I'm curious. But I mean, the nice thing is, this cup holder is functional. My old cup holder on my Dodge, let's just say I spilled Starbucks quite a few times all over the place. So I cleaned that up real good, though, eventually. And the thing is, I had floor mats. Now this is all like rubber flooring, so I don't have to worry about it as much, which is nice. But I actually have 2 cup holders, which is nice, too. So cold. Okay, I'll meet y'all when we get back onto the interstate. No, I'm just kidding. We're not getting on the interstate today. Okay, guys, we're back. Got some Arby's. Getting our Arby's on. We have the meats. And then I got me some good old Briz tea. You gotta love Briz tea. I mean, come on, it's like the go-to thing. So it's pretty awesome. I mean, it's amazing actually. Right now, just, you know, going to chill out and eat some lunch. Good stuff, good stuff. So I'll see y'all once we get biting into some goodies. Guys, back in the neighborhood now. Just got back from Arby's. And so we'll be back eventually. But next time I cut back in, we're gonna be showing you something special, which is gonna be the thumbnail. So definitely look forward to that. It's coming up soon. Definitely excited about that. So yeah, keep on looking, guys, because she'll be here any minute now. Guys, I see a nice truck, so we're gonna go check it out. Believe that's a diesel. Yes, it is a diesel. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, hello there, big truck. 4x4. Cool. And we are back at last with the package I promised it was going to come in the mail today. And thank you, UPS, because it did come in the mail today. But my only complaint was it was supposed to come in the mail the 9th. But they had some delayed because of the weather. It was like some snowstorms or something. Screw snowstorms. So they finally arrived here. My new edition. My taillights. Oh yes. This is awesome. This is awesome. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh snap. There's all the cords that comes with it and everything. Oh, this is nice. Oh my goodness. Bruh. Look at that. Check that out. Ooh, that is sweet. That is very sweet, guys. So now I'm going to get this installed and I'll talk to you from there. Okay, so this turned out a whole lot better than I thought it would. Look at that. Look at that light right there, man. I've got a really nice LED in there. It's got, I'm not sure what that is. That right there. I think that could be maybe a blinker or something, or just a reflector. It's awesome. It looks sweet. And I've got the emergency brake on, so I can go ahead and put it in reverse, show you the reverse lights. Oh, it's so cold. I can literally see my breath. Now that is lit. Look at that. Oh, America. Okay. See my breath? My breath, that's how cold it is. Go ahead and release the brake. Whew. Okay. Let's see, blinkers. I'll turn on my blinker for you. I'll turn on that blinker. And that, my friend, looks sick. Oh yes, that looks amazing. There she is, boys and girls. That is awesome. I'm gonna have to take a photo of that tonight when it gets real dark outside. Oh, that's sick. Awesome, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Now we're gonna go on a nighttime adventure, so be prepared for some more awesomeness. We're back, and this is what it looks like. It's awesome. I'm loving the new look. Look at that. Holy crap. Awesome. So guys, that was today's awesome video. Get it all fixed up and ready. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember to look out, because I'm getting out some more stuff for this bad boy. And so thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.